Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarsicles TV. You got me, Mark. And ito na, ito na naman tayo. Isa na namang kapanapanabik, kakilakilabot. Joke lang. So we have another reaction video for today. Again, this came sa feed. Um, there were recommendations on certain covers of Mission Soul. Pero unahin ko lang to kasi good vibes tong kantang to na very groovy para sa akin. Tsaka nostalgic. Kaya iyan ko muna siya. Unahin ko lang. Indulgence lang kumbaga. No one recommended this. This came across my feed. Kaya yun nga, merong kanta tayo ng nostalgia. Kaya yan, I'd like to give it a go. Share with you this experience I had. So I'm talking about their cover of a Sampaguita original. The song is entitled Bonggahan. In English, is there? Um, I don't think there's an exact uh, translation, but when you say bonga, it's like your approval, giving your approval towards someone's get up or fashion or vibe, aura, something like that. So it's like, may when you tell someone she's slaying it, yeah, it's like giving some sort of approval, right? So I think it's somewhat like that. Um, I think another translation I would say would be sassy. Oh, so you're so sassy, saucy, something like that. So when someone says bonga, yeah, it means you're cool. You're on that side of the fence, the cool side. Anyway, before we give this song a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And without any further delays, let us give this song a go in 3, 2, 1. Rock and roll. Nice one. I'm trying to recall kung sang commercial siya dati. I remember it was used as a jingle sa isang commercial eh. I'm guessing ano eh, Gold Eagle beer or San Miguel beer. Basta beer yun eh, kung tama recollection ko. Anyway, so here we have the full setup, kids, and then the super mom, super dad is there to perform as singer. It's a lead, a shared vocal part between the mom and yung daughter. Tapos si daddy is playing the bass. You can really hear the tung 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 tung. You know? Gumagapang yung bass niya. The bass is crawling. I noticed in this particular cover, the guitar intro from a tone perspective, it is brighter than the kumbaga hindi siya kopya hindi nila kinopya ang kopya kasi the in as far as I can remember yung the tone that was used for this song is more on the medyo fatter kumbaga mas fat tsaka mas dirty ng konti pa medyo dirty pero ito so it's more on the brighter side pero yung drum part naman is heavier than usual. So para sa akin, for me, it kind of has this because of that yung parang mas pinabright nila yung guitar pero pinabigat nila yung drums, balance pa rin siya for me. It's still in equilibrium. From a chord perspective naman, I think it's a basic three chord rock and roll progression or pattern. Uh, they did it in the key of C, so it's like C, then and then G, and then there's also an F. I forgot the other chord, the part where they use type ko ay banana guy. So I'm not sure if that's F as well. But anyway, I heard three main chords for this particular song. Also, in terms of the guitar, it's a nice combination, no? Yung hearing the PRS. That's PRS, right? PRS and si uh, Gibson Les Paul na yung combo. Rock and roll na rock and roll. Tsaka makikita mo yung distinction talaga na here, parang medyo na parang the Gibson is naka plus one kasi mas siya, mas dominant. Tapos si PRS is more on the support function. Talagang parang rhythm talaga yung niya. Kaya in terms of yung holistic yung song in general, it has that holistic feel. Buong buo siya. There's no missing note or what have not. What I like about this song is it is fun, but it's also a challenging song because of the timing. Especially yung ton ton ton. It happened in the beginning. That's the easy part because it's just the intro. Pero it was also done yung sa kalagitnaan ng song, yung biglang taran tan tan, yung may mga ganong bagsakan. And when you listen to them, pag pinakinggan natin sila, pag ginagawa nila, parang ang simple-simple pakinggan, di ba? Tapos sasabihin natin, you think that this is only a song that's a little short of 4 minutes. Kaya parang it's easy to do because it's short. Pero yung timing and tempo niya, that's the challenging part. Second verse of the song, by the way, one more thing. Yung second verse of, uh, I noticed yung drum part, parang hindi yun yung drum part ng original. Kasi you can see yung palo ni Ice, kakaiba eh. May pagka Lars Ulrich eh. Akala mo wala sa tempo, pero andun pala na parang if you listen carefully, very technical yung palo niya, especially nung verse 2 na So I think nagano siya doon, medyo nag-deviate siya yung parang ipakita yung technical skills niya sa drums, kaya ang galing. So yeah, and then yung of course yung parents, yung mom, very nice voice. May talagang yun yung feeling ko yun yung nagdagdag talaga ng nostalgia eh. Yung vocals niya, yung raspiness ba yun, raspy. Yung parang medyo 'di ba, yung may konting gaspang or gas yung boses. Astig siya, yung parang it's very rock and rolly kumbaga. So there you have it. That's my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. Ito nga pala, yung pwede nyong gawin to help out my channel, our channel. Please do as many as you can. Yan. Tapos, share nyo rin sa inyong mga family and friends. Let them know about the Sourcicles TV. Tapos, always stay safe, everyone. And then I'll see you on the next video. Bye!